Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm going to do an experiment for you today actually. I have a 12 by 12 canvas. I have it sitting on my spinner so I can spin it if I want to or turn it around so that you can see what I'm doing at all angles. So what I'm doing, I have the leftover from a bunch of flip cups from a painting I did. I just chipped them on top of each other so that they all poured into these cups. So it's actually made quite a bit. So I'm going to do a kiss pour. I think that's what you call it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of white to the canvas to start. And there's a mess in it already, but that's just to help the paint flow over top of it easily. Now there's no silicone in this, and I'm not adding any because I'll have to stir it and that will ruin it. So I want them to stay just random bunch of colors in there. So let's just see how this goes. All right, I think I like that. This turned out pretty nice with just leftovers. This would have all been thrown in the garbage. Wow. And here it is dry. It turned out beautiful. All with leftover paint.